Church leaders, if your sound team is doing their best, but Sunday audio still feels uneven or stressful, this is for you. We are GandG Productions, and we have been helping churches sound clear, balanced, and ready for worship since 1985. We've worked across gospel and secular environments, but our heart has always been for ministry, especially for the small and growing church that just needs the right support. You see, we understand. We understand the pressure volunteers feel behind the console and the responsibility pastors carry to make sure the message is heard every Sunday. That's why we come alongside your team, not to overwhelm them and not to overwhelm you, Pastor, but to strengthen what you already have. We run in-person workshops. We will come directly to your church, or we can hop on a Zoom call for practical consultation. From system evaluations to full installations, we help small to medium-sized churches solve their sound issues and system upgrades with confidence. We proudly serve the Connecticut region and beyond, focusing on ministries that want excellent sound without needing a mega church budget. So when your church needs sound support, make GandG Productions your first call, and let's help your volunteers and you, Pastor, walk into Sundays with confidence.